Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Minecraft themed video, I'll be showing you how to draw a skeleton spider jockey. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft spider jockey, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to draw a line that comes across. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down and another line that comes down. Then we're going to go ahead and draw a line straight across here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes up a little bit. Same thing here, and then same thing here. Then I'm going to connect it here, and I will connect it here. Next, I'm going to make a little rectangle shape for an eye, and another little rectangle shape for an eye. Then we'll make a small one for the nose. Then right across the bottom, let's make a really long rectangle shape for the mouth. Now, starting here for the body, let's draw a line that's going to come down. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come out and then down here. We'll connect it with a straight line. Then we're going to make the arm right here. So we're going to make a line that's just going to come down. It's going to go over and up. We'll come out at an angle, down, and then connect at an angle. And we'll connect it right here. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and up. And we'll connect there. Then we'll do a really skinny one. Down, over, up. Over, and then connect. Next, I'm going to go over, down, up, and over for a skinny rectangle. And then we want to make the legs. So I'm going to draw a line that comes out here and a line that comes out here. We'll connect it. Then we'll make a little rectangle here for the foot and go over and up. Same thing here. I'm going to go out, over, and across. A little rectangle, and then up here. Now we want to make the bow. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, over, and up, and we'll connect it. Then I'm going to make this little zigzag line at the top and bottom, and then connect it. And then we'll do the same thing, just kind of make that zigzag line again. We're going to draw a line that connects to here, and then same thing here, connects to here. Then we'll make it pop out over here. Now let's make the spider. So let's begin by making a square for the head. We're going to come back here, here, and then right here. Then we're going to go up and connect. We're going to make a little rectangle here and one here for the fangs. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape right here for the eyes. We'll make a line across, and we'll do a line right here. Then we're going to put a little square here and here, and then another little square here, and then one up here. Next, I'm going to go out, down, and then back in for one of the legs. I'll make an angle and then connect it back. Same thing here, out and then down for another leg. Over here, we're going to go down, over, back up, another skinny rectangle. Put a little square on the end, and then connect it back here. We'll make another long, skinny rectangle. Put that little square on the end. Here and then here. We're going to go out, down, and back in. And we'll make one more that goes out and then down. I'll make a little line here, and then one in here. We're going to go up and over, and we'll make a little diagonal line. And then back here, we're going to go over and down. This time we're going to go down and then connect it to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft skeleton spider jockey. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.